In this video, we're going to have a look at adding a private channel in a team to Microsoft Teams, and just a few tips whilst we're doing it. So my Teams training is the team I want to add my private channel to. I'm just going to click on the three dots, and I've got two options, just like I usually have. I can either go to Manage Team or I can go to Add Channel. So for this one, I am going to go to Add Channel and go through this nice and quickly. So this might be for a certain project, or it might be for personal development or a management group within the team where you want to have private conversations that not everyone who has access to the team can see. So I can add a description if I want to, so everyone knows what this is about, and I can change then the privacy to private so that only people who I add will be able to see it. So when I click on next, Teams is going to add my channel. It is there on the left hand side, but it's greyed out. I'll show you in a second. And immediately Teams wants me to add people so I can start collaborating. What I need to know about this is I can only add members to a private channel if they are already members or owners in the team. So they have to be in the team first, and then if I want to add them to the private channel, I can add them from the list. So I'm going to start by typing in someone's name that I know isn't in the team, so you can see how if I start typing in Daniel, we can't find any matches. There isn't a Daniel in the team, so I can't add him to the private channel. But if I just scroll out a bit, there is a Donna, so I can add Donna to the private channel because she's part of the team already. So I'm just going to click to add her. She is a guest. And once she's been added, I can click on done. And my project A is there on the left hand side. I can see it's private because there's a padlock. So if anyone's in the team who doesn't have access to it, so if there's anyone other than myself and Donna, they won't even know that this private channel exists. So we can now communicate and collaborate on a one-on-one basis, separate from the rest of the team, but it's still in there, so I can still work with everything else. Have a go and create yourself a private channel. You can have up to 20 at the moment for each team. That might change, so keep your eye out for any updates to figures, because there has been a bit of noise about it recently. But you can have 20 private channels in a team, so lots to play around with.